Ala, damang makanan, damang makanan. Food, 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 food. Fellow Filipinos.
Philippines.
White people food. Ava, can you tell me, what do you think of all this white people food?
Overstimulating. It's really overstimulating.
Ala, nagado tao. Wala pa. Nagado nga tao. Nagado mga makan. Ay, alam, dorbaba manon. All of it. Is this Romy and Michelle? You know what I mean.
That's what
Yeah, I love it. Look at our students. They look so amazing. They look so good. They honestly take after me.
Yes, we do.
Rodrigo, I love this letter house. And on you? It's so pretty.
Anything for you?
Well, ask me later when you've graduated. Our students, so that's Matt, that's Becca, that's Rodrigo. Aw. I just know they're gonna miss me. You know what I mean? This is John. John, are you gonna miss me?
Yes, of course.
As you should.
I'm gonna miss the sass and the ultrasound.
Are you gonna miss the sass?
Absolutely, it was very authentic. It was a
Lies, nothing but lies from your mouth.
signature.
It is. It actually. Brienne, I love all of it. All of this is just. It speaks to me. It is so good. Oh my God! Even the eye makeup. I live. Michelle, why are we having alcohol in the middle of the day?
We're not.
Okay.
A virgin.
Okay.
Apple pear. Sparkling. We will be shortly.
David, come here. How does it feel to have people graduate? Is this your first class?
Yeah. It's my first graduating class. I'm so happy to be done with them.
Say that one more time.
So happy to be done with them. Very annoying group of people. Very annoying.
Yeah.
That's all I have to say.
Good riddance, y'all. Lydia, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Okay.
Come over here. What do you think about the white food?
I couldn't even finish it. You can't finish it? No, just one bite, and it's like, oh, okay.
That's what happens when you eat white people food. It's not good. So, wakas makapangantay malangon. Look, so I have, what is this? Skewers, chimichurri, quesadilla. What is this? Something. Bocconcini, salami, and mozzarella. And then I have wings, salt and pepper, and then, ooh, that fell on my camera. And then meatballs, cheese, bacon, something. White people food.
This is so good.
Kamatis, salami, and mozzarella. I-try tayo man dati meatballs dahil naimas. Nagimas! This is my favorite.
What am I supposed to be doing?
Naimas yung manok na. Ang muraman na.
How's the food? Is any of it spicy for you?
No, everything's good, but I do not like the chicken wings.
Really?
They have zero flavor.
Was it the salt and pepper one? Mm-hmm. They look like they don't have much. They look like white people food.
And that's coming from a white person as well. Mind you.
At syempre, since kailangan natin ng pampatulak, we have Pellegrino, water, sparkling. Salami and mozzarella bones, so good. So good. Pierogies and bacon. Ava, they're a little bit bland. Okay, another pampatulak, Maison Perrier, and this is Forever Raspberry with Rose. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Ava, this is good. Itry tayo man natin yung chicken with southwestern marinade. Chicken. Oh no.
Oh, it's spicy.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God, that's spicy. Oh, ew. Ooh. That's good. That's very good. Like, I want to try more food, but yeah, I ate too fast and now I'm full. Oh well. Oh my God, I wish I had videotaped this when they gave it to me, but look at what my students gave me. Oh my God. Thank you so much. No, you're gonna make me emotional. Thank you. Berbab.